A whole lot of younger ones does not have a clue. They don't understand what it means to reap where you sow or to reap what you sow. Everybody want. They don't want to work hard. All they want to do is grab. So guys, happy holiday season. Did you guys see that? It's holiday season. I am in the mall. I'm waiting for someone, but I want to do this quick video. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk to you guys about marriage. Why is it that marriage is so, people of Africa, of Nigeria, of black people are so desperate of getting married? I'm here to meet someone and I want to do this video before she gets here. Marriage. When somebody opened their mouth and say, doesn't matter what it takes, this year is not over. We are still in November, but whatever it's gonna take, she must get married this year. If it means going to Babalawo, to Dibia, to Voodoo, to tarot readers, she must get married. Hello? And then you wonder why the marriages don't last. You find somebody because you have a one-night fling with somebody, it means that the person has to marry you. Where does it say that the person has to marry you because you just met someone or just because you guys have one or two things to do together? The guy never promised you marriage and all of a sudden you are talking marriage. Then you wonder why the marriages don't last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. All the voodoo, all the juju in this man's eyes will just, you know what I mean? All the juju in his eyes will just disappear. The juju, when the juju disappears, he will figure out that, you are not the right person for him to marry. And that's when the trouble starts. And then a whole lot of you guys get like physical beat up. They'll beat you guys up and do one or two things with you to you guys, and then you kept wondering, why is he being this mean to you? However, you did not know that you are the cause of the breakage, that you are the cause of why your marriage is heading towards that direction. Anything that is artificial must rub off, guys. You must rub off. Put your knees on the ground, on the floor, and pray if you want your own man. Don't go extra mile. Don't go to that length to go and try to do voodoo, babalawo, tarot reader just to get somebody to marry you. I don't know. So guys, chip in your own thoughts, your own opinion. What do you think? Is it necessary? I know you're going to say it's not necessary, but let me tell you the truth. This is really what is going on down Nigeria and most African countries. Using voodoo to hold men to marry you. It's not gonna work. It doesn't last. So men, open your eyes. But a whole lot of men are in bondage as well. But you know what, like I said, sometimes they don't realize that they are in bondage until the things clears up their eyes. And then the woman will begin to experience the way. They will say, she will begin to hear way. So guys, another thing that I want to talk about is it's African women, the young girls. What is it with you guys and trend? Designers bags, latest hand phone. Everybody wants to have iPhone 11, iPhone 12, the new designer shoes without working hard for that. All most of you know is grab. Give me. A whole lot of you guys are not ready to work hard. They don't understand what it means to invest, to work hard. It's give me. Remember to leave your thoughts and comments. My eyes are wide open. My ears are itching.